What made me choose this career as a trainer for Coca-Cola United was the ability to be able to help propel people forward, to watch them progress in their career as a large store merchandiser.
We're very thorough and meticulous on making sure that our trainees are prepared. We don't want to just throw you into the fire, the lion's den, so to speak. We want to make sure that you're prepared to go out there. My favorite part is probably learning more so about the trainees as well as myself. Teach them about the company and show them ways that they can make themselves better. I think the best way to do that is through training.
It's allowing us to be able to go out there and to know exactly what we're doing before we ever step foot on property.
They really care and not just putting you out there for you to fail.
The main piece of advice I try to instill is making sure that your work speaks volumes for who you are. Get in on the ground floor and make a name for yourself, a name that rings out and that speaks very highly about who you are and what you do.